What's up everybody, Michael Silva here. This is episode 80 of Live Day Trading. We are going to trade the SPY here. Let's get into it. Alright, welcome back. So what do we got going on today? Alright, we are looking at the SPY on the 5-minute time frame. I'm planning on doing an options trade. The reason why I'm doing an options trade right now is just for the added extra leverage. I recently took out money out of this account, so I plan on putting money back in to trade equities here at a later date. I'm looking for the SPY. What it did right now is it gapped way up and now is currently pulling back, and I'm looking to see about getting in a call option if it can pull back to 324.42. The reason why is because overall it was a nice bullish contact yesterday on the 5-minute time frame. We did have a gap down, but we did have a nice run up, and now it's coming into an area of support from yesterday, which is here at that 324.40. As you can see, it came up, got rejected, came up, got rejected a couple of times. So I feel like this area might be a strong level of support. Now we just need to wait patiently to see if the price does want to reach down to that level. The price did come down as low as 324.64, which is actually the top of the gap window, as you can see right here on this previous day on 7/29. Let's see if we can get a break below that just to get right down to here. Another area of support will be right down here at where the window could be filled, because today's gapped way up here. So there's a big window right here at basically just 324. All right, let's see if this pulls back enough. Okay, so my order just got filled there at basically 1.28 was the contract price. Let's see if we can get a bounce from that area. I did 5 contracts. It does look like the price can potentially pull back a little bit lower, but I like this area of support. So let's see here what we can get from this. All right, so I just got recently rid of 4 of those shares. Now we're seeing a little bit of a pullback here. I have 1 contract remaining. I'm going to go ahead and hop into the 1-minute time frame just to see here if it's going to be pulling back or if it's going to continue to move for me. So as you can see, we saw a nice bounce right from this point. Let's see if we can get a continuation or if we're going to just be getting a pullback. Okay, so I just exited that position. It was pulling back pretty quickly right there, so I am completely out of there. I didn't want that one last remaining contract to break through and break down and then take away a lot of my profits. Just to recap, what took place there is on the 5-minute time frame, the SPY did gap up, which is a very bullish type of move. It was a nice big gap up. However, what it started doing right out of the gate was it started pulling back. So when it's pulling back after a bullish move, you look for an area of support that you might capture some profits from. From the 5-minute time frame, I noticed that right here at 324.40 looked like a very prominent area of support. As you can see, it tapped it once and then tapped it twice. It was resistance, and then once resistance is broken, it then becomes support. You saw the pullback, and then what I did here, it's obviously clearly not a huge, right? It's not a huge bump up, but that small little bump up right there resulted in $89 profits in just a very quick scalp trade. That was, like I said, 5 contracts. We just did an on the money, pretty much on the money call option. We did 5 contracts total. I scaled out 1, and then I scaled out 3, and then I scaled out the last remainder when it started pulling back further. That is why risk mitigation, risk management is so important in this game, and why technical analysis is badass. All right, that's all I have for you on today's live trading video here on the Webull Desktop software. See you later.